my channel. So today's video is about bleaching your clothes. No, I'm not going to bleach all over the clothes, but we are going to make a patterns through bleaching. So I have three types of clothes on which I'm going to do a bleaching pattern on it. The first one is the denim which I'm wearing right now. Let me show you guys. First I thought of doing bleaching on the bottom part of the jeans, but then I thought that there is already a cuff on the ankle part, so I dropped that idea, and now I'm thinking to do bleaching on the edges of the jeans. Second is this my black top. I'm not thinking to do any type or any pattern on it, but I'm just going to do a random designs on it, that too by scrunching it around and just do bleaching on it. So yeah, in this we are going to do a very random designs. So the third one is this leggings. I don't know if anyone would have ever tried to do a bleach on leggings or not, but we are going to do it. So for this leggings, I haven't finalized any designs, but most probably I'm going to do designs on the bottom part of the leggings. So yeah, let's jump into the video. But before that, if you are new here, consider subscribing and let's get into the video.
Things that we need: first, bleach in a spray bottle; second, gloves, and this is must; and third, elastic bands. Firstly, I am performing on my t-shirt. For this, I'm just going to take the fork and place it in the middle of the t-shirt and just twist it around so that I can get spiral design, and just going to secure that shape using elastic bands. Now just bleach the above section of the t-shirt and you are pretty much done. Let it sit for half an hour and then you just have to wash it around. You will get your designs. In the meantime, I cut the paper into a flame shape and placed it on the leggings and took my bleach bottle and sprayed over it. Did the same on the other ankle as well and let it dry for half an hour. Lastly, we are going to work on the jeans. For this, I took the paper on which I cut the round shape so that I can get equal amount of circles on the edges. Sprayed the bleach on the paper and guess what? It turned out to be so bad. I don't know what to do, so I asked my mom that if she can help me out in this thing. She gave me idea, and here's what idea looks like. We are going to bleach half of the jeans, and here's how I did it.
A few moments later.
So here's the outcome. I can literally give this t-shirt 10 on 10 because this came out to be the perfect, the way I want it, and I'm so happy for this t-shirt. Next, for leggings, I can give 8 out of 10 because that was my mistake. I didn't use the cardboard, so it's okay. I'm well satisfied with this result as well. And lastly, for the jeans, honestly, if I tell you that my mind got blocked because I didn't got the outcome the way I wanted to be, but thanks to mom, thanks for helping, thanks for idea, I can wear this jeans on a regular basis and not like I have to hide that I made a mistake on, and I'm happy about it.
Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, but before ending this video, I would like to share with you guys few things that you need to keep in mind while doing tie-dye or bleaching at home. The first and the foremost thing that I wanted to share with you guys is do trial and error on your old clothes, just like I did over here, and then you try on the clothes that you are going to wear it. Do not use paper for doing any type of designs while doing tie-dye or else bleaching of your clothes. Just use hard materials or else cardboard instead of paper. That's it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more such videos. Also, do not forget to